Hi there! In this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps on how to add funds to your account in the Social VPS client area. A simple way to top up your balance and ensure uninterrupted VPS services. First, start by logging in to your client area SocialVPS.net using your registered email and password. If you've forgotten your password, just click the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the main dashboard and all its features. Now, go to the Billing menu located on the main navigation bar. Under this section, click on the Add Funds option to proceed. This will take you to the Add Funds page where you can deposit money into your account. On the Add Funds page, you'll see some important guidelines. Minimum deposit, 70,000 rupiah. Maximum deposit, 20 million rupiah maximum credit balance. 30 million rupiah. In the field labeled Amount to Add, type in the amount you want to deposit. Make sure the format is correct. For example, to deposit rupiah, 150,000, enter 150,000.00. Once the amount is filled in, choose your preferred payment method. You can select from options like bank transfer, e-wallet, or credit card, whichever is most convenient for you. Then, click the Add Funds button to continue. The system will instantly generate an invoice containing all the payment details, including the total amount and payment instructions. Review everything carefully and proceed to make the payment as soon as possible to ensure the funds are credited to your account without delay. Important reminder: always double-check the minimum and maximum limits to avoid any issues during the top-up process. And if you face any problems, don't hesitate to contact our support team. We're always ready to help. That's it. Now you know how to keep your account funded and ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.